I'm going to be looking at the REI Big Haul 40-liter travel duffel. It's got a 1680 denier bottom, this nylon ripstop upper, convertible backpack straps, and a 40-liter capacity. After the intro. Welcome to One Bag Travels. I'm going to be looking at some nice travel duffels over the next month or so, and this first one I decided to look at is the REI Big Haul 40 travel duffel. It has some great features, including this 1680 denier material on the bottom of the bag and the sides of the bag. This is pretty much the most robust, beefy nylon material that you can get for a travel backpack. And what they do with this backpack is they use it on the sides and the bottom where you're going to get most of the wear and tear in your bag. And then they convert to this 400 denier nylon ripstop with this kind of plastic TPU coating up here, which really reduces the weight of the bag and kind of makes it a little bit more waterproof. As with all bags that we review on the One Bag Travels channel, the REI Big Haul 40 is going to be able to be used for your carry-on. It's travel dimensions, and you're going to be able to put it in the overhead on an airline. This thing is 21.3 by 13.4 by 10.2. And well, the height on this thing is about an inch higher than your standard 9-inch carry-on size for most airlines. It's a soft-sided bag, so unless you really overstuff it, then you're going to be fine fitting this thing into the overhead. Looking at some of the exterior features on the Big Haul 40, REI uses these really big number 10 YKK locking zippers. So it's pretty much the biggest YKK zipper that you can get. They have these little plastic pull tabs, making them easier to open. And then the zippers have these little hooks between them that you can put a lock through and lock the bag together. And being kind of the main compartment here with only one zipper, it's pretty easy to secure your bag. The compression straps and the buckles are all these Duraflex plastic clips right here. Pretty burly, pretty strong. And then REI uses these aluminum hooks here, and they're going to be used to secure the bottom of the backpack straps as well as this top handle carry on these little loops. And then going around the outside of the bag, it has this nylon strap that goes all the way around the bag. And then there's going to be these really beefy nylon carry handles. And there's one on the back and the front, and then both sides. So you can pretty much kind of carry this bag any way you want. Top handles, backpack straps, or all these side carry handles. And then in between these side carry handles here on the front and the side, you have this nylon strap with these kind of daisy chain loops. So there's 3, 3, 3, and 3. In addition to the 4 side and front carry handles, you have about 12 daisy chain handles. So all kinds of straps and options, a lot of great ways to carry the bag. The compression straps on the REI Big Haul 40 are pretty interesting. They have a male and a female clip for these side compression straps on each side, but the male and female buckles on the opposite side of the bag are reversed. So on the back side of the bag, you have the female buckle, and on this side, you have the male buckle. And that allows you to clip it into the side and cinch it down like this, or you can disconnect them and use the side straps from both sides, clip them together to bring over the entire top of the bag, and then you can really cinch it down this way. The main carry options on the Big Haul are going to be this top carry handle and the stowaway backpack straps. The top carry handle has these thick nylon straps and this padded handle here which connects both sides of the bag together. They're connected with the aluminum hooks just like the backpack straps, which allows you to detach them and take them off the bag. The backpack straps are these formed kind of padded straps here. And, well, not the most comfortable straps I've ever used for a bag in the under $100 price range. They're pretty comfortable. These things will stow away. They have their own pocket right here that doesn't have a top zipper. It's just kind of open. And then when you take the straps out, you use these same metal hook closures to attach them to the bottom of the bag. And, well, the backpack straps are kind of form-fitted and pretty comfortable. They do lack some of the features that some more expensive, heavier bags lack. So you're not going to be getting a sternum strap here to kind of keep the straps together on your chest. And then There's no hip belt or anything like that. They are adjustable. They're pretty thinly padded, but they're comfortable for a bag of this price range. The Big Haul 40 is advertised as having a crossbody shoulder strap, and what they mean by that is just one of the backpack straps. So to convert the backpack strap into a shoulder strap, you attach it on the opposite corner of the bag and then loosen up the strap here. It's not very comfortable because the strap is designed to fit on your shoulder in this orientation. By putting it kind of crossbody, it makes the strap a little bit crooked and it's really short. So I tried this thing. You can fit it over one shoulder. It feels okay, but when you try to kind of do a crossbody both shoulder, it just doesn't work. The organization on this bag is pretty minimal. Because it's a duffel bag, you're relying on most of your storage to just be this kind of big pocket right here. It doesn't have any further interior organization or compartments. It's just one big 40-liter pocket. It does have a couple of other small pockets on the front and the top. This front pocket here, it's kind of just big enough for a small book. I can fit my tablet in here. This is an 8-inch Kindle, so it's about 8.5 by 5. That fits in there. This is also how you access the kind of luggage tag right here. Inside the bag, other than the main duffel compartment, you have this top lid here, which has these two kind of mesh pockets. There's this bigger one here, and then it has a small one here with this little keychain attachment. They're not really big enough to put clothes in or anything like that, but you're going to be using these for small items, electronics, obviously keys over here. I'm going to do a quick packing demo. I like to show you the amount of gear that you can fit in these bags, as well as offer some tips on organization and packing. Because this is a duffel bag, it's pretty much just one large compartment, so you only have a couple options for packing this thing. You can take all your clothes and gear, roll them up, and just kind of stuff them in there. Or I would recommend using some kind of further organization, like packing cubes. They really help keep your items separated and help you organize your gear. Here I have these two kind of medium packing cubes that are going to fit right down here in the bottom. And I have on a smaller packing cube, a toiletry kit, a small little bag for electronics. I'm going to put my 15-inch laptop in there, as well as my Kindle, and I have a little jacket over here, a little wool jacket. In these cubes I have 6 t-shirts, I have 2 merino wool shirts in there, and 4 cotton shirts, as well as this plaid button-up right here. In this cube, it's a compression cube. I have 1 pair of jeans, a pair of travel pants, and a pair of travel shorts in here. So I'm going to put these 2 larger cubes. They kind of fit right here in the bottom. This smaller cube, I have 6 pairs of socks and 6 pairs of underwear. My little toiletry kit here. I have this little electronics pouch, which is just kind of a small little cube. Chargers, adapters, earphones, that kind of thing. And then just kind of this little wool sweater. And my giant laptop. The tablet you could put in the front. I'm going to stick it in this pouch right here. I'm going to offer a little more protection. It has a padded back right here. That's pretty much it. I have a padded case on my laptop, but you could also kind of put it in the middle of your items between your clothes and your other gear for a little bit more protection. Again, we've been looking at the REI Big Haul 40-liter travel duffel here. There's some great things about it. There's a couple of okay things about it. Some of my favorite items on this bag are the 1680 denier nylon, pretty thick, and then converting to this 400 denier ripstop on the rest of the bag. It's moderately water resistant, and it really cuts down on weight while also being really durable. These stowable backpack straps are a great feature for a travel duffel. You kind of need backpack straps. And then just this really large capacity. For a bag that's about, carry-on dimensions, a 40-liter bag for this weight, it's definitely a good amount of stuff, and it's really easy to pack. Some of the things that you're going to be missing on this bag when you compare it to other more expensive travel bags, heavier bags like the Manal, Air, Cotopaxi, etc., are the stowaway backpack straps. They don't have a zipper. They're just kind of stuffed in here, and well, they're not going to pop out. It's definitely kind of nice to have this extra compartment, an extra way to keep the backpack straps out of the way. They're also pretty simple straps. They don't have a sternum strap. There's not going to be a hip belt or anything like that. You're also missing out on a padded laptop compartment. Because this is an inexpensive duffel bag, it just has one big compartment. You're not going to have a separate padded laptop compartment. So you're going to have to make some compromises. If you're a digital nomad and you like to take all of your electronics and your laptop with you, then you can do something like what I did, is use an extra padded foam pocket to put your laptop in, or you can kind of nestle it in the middle of your bag between your clothes. There's also no water bottle pocket on the outside of this bag. It's a pretty minimalistic travel duffel, and you have these side carry handles on all four sides, as well as these daisy chain attachments here. But if you're carrying your water bottle, what you're lacking is this dedicated water bottle pocket on the outside of the bag. Your only kind of two options here are to put it inside the bag, or if you have something that you can clip on, you can use a little mini carabiner and clip it to one of these handles or these daisy chains in the outside of the bag. Again, we've been looking at the REI Big Haul 40-liter travel duffel bag. And if you like our reviews and you want to see more, then please comment below and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.